Right, now we put it all together. You ready? We're here. We rise, fall, hold the ball, step back and out, and that should all be one step where we sink, be in the right place, forward, back, and you throw the frisbee with the left hand. Good. Rock back, open, step in, forward, throw the frisbee. Align yourself here, rock back, open, step in, left foot forward, throw the frisbee, back, open, in, forward, back, open, forward, back, open. We'll do that one more time, and I want you just to get that part taken care of. Rise, fall, hold the ball, frisbee, forward, rock step, frisbee, notice the knee, rock step, frisbee, rock step, frisbee, rock step, frisbee. Excellent. There you go. Get that one figured out. The next movement, right hand is out. The left hand comes around, step forward, push, sweep, and push. Most importantly, we're forward. Rock back and open. Step forward. Rock back and open. Push forward. Rock back. Push forward. Rock back. Push forward. And we'll pause it right there. Let's do that one more time. We're here. Notice the stepping is the exact same. We're just pushing forward, rocking back. Stepping in, finding our balance so we can step forward. Left hand comes out, push forward, rock back, and open. Push forward, rock back, open. Push forward, rock back, and open. Push forward. Get a good feel for those and come back for the next. This next move is called repulsing the monkey, and we're going to step backward. So from here, your back foot is again 45 degrees. Your right arm is reaching back. And as you push the right hand forward and pull the right hand back, and by the way, most people find this one easier. Step back with the left foot. Really, you want to be sunk in so you have your balance. Sink back with the left foot. Back, forward, and your left hand goes forward as your right foot goes back and your left foot gets light. That's the steps. We're here. My weight is on my right leg. Push forward with the right arm. Step back with the left foot. The right foot gets light. Step back with the left hand, or push back with the left hand. It comes forward. The back foot shifts. Right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. And there we are. Let's do that again. So here we are. We're back. As the right hand pushes forward, the left hand steps back, and the right foot gets light. Back. Find your balance here. Left hand goes forward as the right foot goes back, and we shift our weight. The right hand goes back and then forward as we step the left foot back and shift our weight. This leg is light. Back, forward, right foot goes back, back, and forward. Excellent. Anything else I do from this point is probably going to be redundant. Go ahead and get those bits down. Check me on the next one.